I'd like to give everybody an update on the progress being made at 2237 East Main. The outside of the house finally has gotten a prime coat after being washed. What do you call it?
Power washed.
Power washed, yeah, power washed. Got a lot of the old paint off and got a prime coat on. And from the street, it already makes a remarkable difference. All four sides have been primed now, and we'll be ready to start finish painting. Most of the work, or all of the work the volunteers are doing has been inside. The outside has been done by a contractor. So the inside, which we'll show you now, has been a group of volunteers, anywhere from 6 to 10 on any given Saturday, painting the drywall, priming the drywall, finish painting the walls, finish painting the ceilings, and we're on the downhill side.
Now it's got a new roof, right, Bob?
I'm sorry?
A new roof?
Yeah, that happened over a year ago.
Yeah, and it's got...
it's all been rewired, and heating, new air conditioning. So once we get the painting done, then we'll probably turn it over to somebody else that's going to put the cabinets in and so forth. But we're getting close after about 3 years in the making.
All right, well, let's go inside and take a look, Bob.
Yep, the COVID thing got us all behind. A little bit of remodeling has been done coming in the back door. This back entry area, which was probably like a pantry area, has been drywalled and partitioned off, so we now have a half bath downstairs. Originally this was a 4-bedroom, 1-bath house. It's now a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. And also in the kitchen, done a little bit of remodeling. A wall has been taken out here because the original kitchen, which is behind the camera, has low windows and cabinetry could not be put in here to accommodate a kitchen cabinet area. So this wall was taken out, and this will be more of a great room with the kitchen on this side. Cabinets running along this wall, stove here, not sure where the refrigerator will be. And then what was the original kitchen will be more of an eat-in dining / breakfast room. And then coming into the front of the house, this front room has been finish painted. We probably are going to put another coat on the ceiling, but otherwise it's finished. And likewise the entry room, the living room, has been finish painted, walls, ceiling, and it's all but ready to go. And if we come upstairs, one of the original 4 bedrooms has been turned into a master suite, which this is the bedroom, and this originally was a closet for this bedroom. We took this wall out here to create a lounging area, closet area, added a new full bath up here, so the master suite has its own bathroom. And again, most of the painting has been done up here. Ceilings painted, walls are painted. And then as part of this whole master suite, we'll have an upstairs laundry. So it's all been plumbed in and wired in for washer and dryer. And then the other bedrooms, again, pretty much all painted, ready to go. the original bathroom, which was a very tight little space, but it will get all new fixtures, and a little more painting needs to be done in here. The walls, the ceiling's finished, the walls need a finish paint. And then likewise, what is now the third bedroom looks like the painting has been pretty much completed in here, the walls and the ceiling. We don't know what's going to happen through this back door. There originally was some kind of walkout porch here. We may or may not try to turn it back into something like that for a nice place to take in the sunset and the sunrise in the morning.
So thank you, Bob, for the tour
My pleasure.
and all your hard work on this.
Well, there's, as I said, a group of on any given Saturday, 6 to 10 of us, pretty much the same group every week, some out, some in, but everybody wants to see this to its completion.
Now, if someone wants to help with this, how do they go about doing that, Bob?
Well, we have a group listing. If they're not already considered a volunteer on the group listing, it's a matter of getting in touch with someone that you may know, and they can give you my email address, or you could email me directly. It's rwferrell, Ferrell, 47 at AOL. And send me an email, tell me you'd like to sign up to be a volunteer, and then you'll get our weekly emails on the work schedule.
Well, great. Well, thank you very much, Bob.
You're welcome.